Aven's Cyclops series digital microscopes have become an industry standard for inspection and measurement applications. Today, Aven is proud to offer the new Cyclops 3.0 digital microscope. The Cyclops 3.0 features HDMI and USB outputs. View live images on your HD monitor or your PC. With the included 4x lens, the Cyclops 3.0 can reach a magnification range up to 140x. When in PC mode, the Cyclops 3.0 utilizes USB 3.0 technology for an exceptional image transfer rate. The advanced new Cyclops imaging and measurement software features tools for capturing images and videos, calibrating measurements, grid overlays, line and shape drawings, angle measurements, time-lapse photography, and more. The Cyclops 3.0 includes a heavy-duty metal stand with a focus mount for fine focus adjustment. The side of the focus mount features 2 fasteners for easy wire management. Also included with the Cyclops 3.0 is the standard Cyclops remote control. This handset controls all of the basic features of the Cyclops, including focus adjustment and the brightness of the built-in 30 LEDs. While the Cyclops 3.0 is a powerful and convenient inspection system right out of the box, we have designed it to be customizable for any workstation. Customize your Cyclops with these premium add-ons. 10x objective lens for applications requiring additional magnification. 4x long focus lens for applications requiring additional working distance. 4x lens with polarizer used to reduce problematic glare when inspecting. Flex arm stand flexes and rotates to nearly any position. Aven also offers a variety of post stands and boom stands to further enhance the inspection functionality of the Cyclops 3.0. Aven's Cyclops 3.0, designed with modern applications in mind. To learn more, visit aventools.com.